Have you ever noticed that mosquitoes seem to ignore some people while relentlessly chasing others? Every year, mosquitoes bite hundreds of millions of people, spreading dangerous diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Scientists have spent decades trying to understand exactly what attracts these tiny insects and, more importantly, what drives them away. Among countless repellents, one particular smell has repeatedly stood out for its remarkable ability to confuse and repel mosquitoes. But what is this mysterious scent, and why do mosquitoes seem to hate it so much? The answer lies not in magic, but in fascinating biology, chemistry, and millions of years of evolution. To understand why mosquitoes dislike certain smells, we first need to understand how they find us. Contrary to popular belief, mosquitoes don't simply see people and fly toward them. Instead, they use an incredibly advanced sensory system. Female mosquitoes, the ones responsible for biting humans because they need blood to develop their eggs, detect carbon dioxide from our breath from as far as 30 meters away. As they get closer, they sense body heat, moisture, movement, and hundreds of chemical compounds released through our skin and sweat. Every human produces a unique chemical signature, which explains why some people receive far more mosquito bites than others. Among the many scents studied by scientists, one natural compound has gained worldwide attention: Citronella. Extracted from tropical grasses, Citronella has been used for centuries in candles, sprays, oils, and outdoor products. Its fresh lemon-like aroma is pleasant to humans, but mosquitoes experience it very differently. Instead of simply smelling unpleasant, Citronella overwhelms and interferes with the mosquito's sensitive odor receptors. Imagine trying to find your favorite restaurant while someone suddenly floods your nose with dozens of powerful perfumes. Your sense of direction would become confused. This is exactly what Citronella does to mosquitoes. It disrupts their ability to locate human scent. However, Citronella isn't the only smell mosquitoes dislike. Research has shown that eucalyptus oil, particularly lemon eucalyptus, is one of the most effective natural mosquito repellents. In fact, the active ingredient known as PMD has been recommended by health experts because its effectiveness can rival some synthetic repellents when properly formulated. Lavender, peppermint, lemongrass, basil, catnip, and tea tree oil have also demonstrated mosquito-repelling properties to varying degrees. Each of these plants produces aromatic chemicals as a natural defense against insects, and mosquitoes evolve to avoid many of these compounds because they interfere with their sensory systems. But here's where things become even more interesting. Not all mosquito repellents work in the same way. Some smells directly confuse mosquito receptors, while others hide the human scent that mosquitoes depend on. Synthetic repellents like DEET don't necessarily smell terrible to mosquitoes. Instead, DEET effectively blocks the insect's ability to recognize human odors, making it difficult for them to identify us as a target. Think of it like putting an invisible mask over your natural scent. Mosquitoes know something is nearby, but they struggle to determine exactly where you are. Many people believe eating garlic, taking vitamin B supplements, or consuming spicy foods can naturally prevent mosquito bites. Unfortunately, scientific studies have found little evidence supporting these popular myths. While your diet can slightly influence body odor, the changes are generally too small to fool mosquitoes. Similarly, ultrasonic mosquito repellent devices, which claim to scare mosquitoes away using high-frequency sound, have repeatedly failed scientific testing. Despite being sold around the world, most independent studies conclude that these devices offer little to no real protection. Scientists have also discovered that mosquitoes don't hate everyone equally. Certain people naturally attract more mosquitoes due to factors beyond their control. Blood type may play a role, with individuals having type O blood often receiving more bites than those with other blood groups. People who produce more carbon dioxide, such as adults, pregnant women, or individuals exercising outdoors also tend to attract more mosquitoes. Even the bacteria living naturally on our skin influence the specific scent we release into the air, creating a unique odor profile that mosquitoes can detect with astonishing precision. Climate also plays a major role in mosquito behavior. Warm temperatures increase mosquito activity, allowing them to fly faster, reproduce more quickly, and locate hosts more efficiently. That's one reason tropical regions experience much larger mosquito populations. Rising global temperatures are even allowing some mosquito species to expand into new areas where they previously couldn't survive, increasing the importance of effective mosquito control around the world. One of the biggest misconceptions is that mosquito-repellent candles alone can protect an entire backyard. While citronella candles may help in small outdoor spaces with little wind, their protective range is usually limited. In contrast, mosquito sprays applied directly to exposed skin create a much more reliable protective barrier because the active ingredients stay close to the person instead of quickly dispersing into the surrounding air. Scientists continue searching for even better mosquito repellents by studying how mosquitoes detect different chemical molecules. Using advanced genetic research, researchers have identified specific odor receptors responsible for locating humans. By targeting these receptors, future repellents may become longer-lasting, safer, and even more effective than current products. Some experimental technologies even aim to make humans temporarily invisible to mosquitoes' senses without harming the insects or the environment. So, does mosquitoes hating one particular smell mean there's a single perfect solution? Not exactly. While scents like citronella and lemon eucalyptus can significantly reduce mosquito bites, no natural smell provides complete protection under every condition. The most effective defense combines scientifically tested repellents, protective clothing, mosquito nets, and eliminating standing water where mosquitoes breed. Together, these methods dramatically reduce both mosquito bites and the risk of dangerous mosquito-borne diseases. As we've discovered today, the tiny mosquito is far more intelligent than it seems, using an incredible sense of smell to find its next target. But science has also shown us that understanding nature is the key to protecting ourselves. The next time you catch the fresh scent of citronella or lemon eucalyptus, remember, it may smell refreshing to you, but to a mosquito, it's complete sensory chaos. Sometimes the tiniest creatures reveal the biggest scientific mysteries, and sometimes the simplest solution is hidden in nature itself. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fascinating documentary. Share this video with your friends and family to help them stay informed and protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.